So, welcome back to another video. About to do this review on, as y'all see from the title, the laser and the flashlight I got from my canik TP9 SF. I got a scope coming soon too, so y'all stay tuned for that. But to get this review going, I guess y'all can see it. That's what we do. Going down real quick. Yeah. How everybody doing? How y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? Had a good day today. I hope y'all had a good day too. If not, it'll be better the next day. But anyways, we got this. I got this from Amazon, by the way. The price on it was $52. Now let me try it out, see how it is. And, some cheap stuff is good too. I ain't gonna say all, but just want to try it out, see how it is. If it ain't good, then we go to the next thing. But anyways, I got the little manual right here, as y'all can see. And it's rechargeable. Got that. The rechargeable thing right there. I'm gonna take it out anyway. Here go the flashlight. And we're gonna see if it's charged already. Focus, baby. There you go. Got the flashlight, the laser, got the switches in the back. So we're gonna turn this on. The flashlight. Damn, blinded y'all. It's all nice too. Matter of fact, I can show you how nice it is real quick. Turn the light out. Pretty bright. Oh, and the laser showing on it. I don't know if y'all can see it. The flashlight's so bright. Switch it. There goes the laser right there. Y'all look pretty good. From what I was hearing about the laser thing, they said there's a difference between green and red. They say the green shows better in the daytime. You can see it versus the red. So I'm gonna try it out in the daytime too. I'm gonna cut the light back on. But yeah, I got the laser. Let me see if y'all can see the laser and the light. The laser and the light. It's so bright. I love the light though. You need a bright light to change it. It's gonna get brighter. Laser. And then without the laser. So we got laser and light at the same time. Then just the light by itself, Then you got the blinking lights. I'm killing my camera with this flashlight. But yeah, going crazy, that was crazy. I like it. But yeah, I just want to show y'all a little quick review real quick. What else? I gotta figure out how to take the battery out. Oh, so I'm thinking right here, that screw right here, you unscrew that and take the battery out. And it comes with the Allen wrench and the USB. So, and it's the micro. I don't know why they didn't make it a C charger, but it is what it is. Alright, we're about to take it out real quick. Let me get in the Ziploc bag. Yeah. I thought it was like a button you could push to take it out, but I guess not. I'm scrolling it. Make sure y'all can see it. I thought you could like turn this and make the flashlight like close and far, but you can't. Unless I'm missing something. Alright, no. Oh, it might be the bottom. I might be wrong. It might be this, because it came with 2 Allen wrenches. I don't know what. Oh, this might be to adjust the laser up and down. Damn, I might have fucked the laser up. But yeah, I think this screwed that screw right there. Adjust the laser, I think. I don't know. We'll find out. You know, we don't like to read the manual half of the time. Let me look at the menu real quick. I'm about to be getting up. I'll probably edit all of this out. Where's my menu at? Alright, look at the menu real quick. This to adjust, yeah, this to adjust the windage, this right here, adjust the windage, and this to adjust the elevation. I just fucked it up. The elevation, I think I messed the laser up, but we'll fix that. It probably needs to be adjusted anyway. Now, as far as the battery goes, what the hell? Oh shit, you can push on the back and it blinks. Okay. Something I didn't know. Okay, yeah. I was doing the right one. This one right here. Use that to take it out. Charging port is on the side. Push the button. The battery will pop out. I'm an idiot. So that's easy. So you don't have to unscrew it or anything like that. All you gotta do is push this. And there's a whole button. I would have never got that at all. But this is the battery pack. You don't have to put no batteries in it. And that's where the charger go at. Right there. That's the inside. Okay. Either I'm gonna edit this or we're gonna put it up. And y'all just had to skip through it. You know what, I might leave it in just so y'all can see the fuck up shit. But, yeah. Look, let's show y'all again. But, yeah, that. See how it popped out? You just pull it out. You need to charge it. You don't even have to take this off the gun. Leave this on the gun. You good to go. But I'm gonna show y'all in the next video me putting it on the gun. So I hope y'all like the video. I think I got everything. Yeah. So I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all later.
The grind, I could change in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.